Okey, hari ni akan pergi ke snorkeling. This one group activity lah. My staff arrangekan pergi snorkeling, few points tour, boat tour. And then lepas tu lunch sekali kat somewhere dekat kampung nelayan. And then balik dalam pukul 2. So trip will start about 10:30. Tu Aisyah, the organizer. So this is the jetty lah. Tunggu the boat for the snorkeling. This is the jetty dekat our resort lah, Santok Ombak Resort. Okay, sana senja. And here is our resort lah. This is the Sharila Island Resort. So this is the kawan ikan dia punya jetty dia. Oh, air jernih kan? Dia very jernih lah. So highly recommended lah bagi saya walaupun first time kat sini. It's a very comfortable, very spacious area kan. Petang-petang boleh tengok sunset senja. Tempat makan pun very cozy. Atas tu banyak tempat makan, dia tak cram to one place. Jetty pun luas. So it should be nice lah. For seorang-seorang pun okey, family pun okey, biasa company pun okey. So this is our company punya mid-year vacation lah kali ni. Alhamdulillah. Okay, so lepas ni kita akan enjoy boat tour dengan in a group lah, 9 hours insyaAllah. So belanja ni air yang jernih ni. Yang gila. Okay, dah sampai first stop pagi ni. Ready for snorkeling. I'm not, I won't be, maybe. Let budak ni main. Okay, this is the boat. Ya, apa nama tempat ni? Pulau apa? Dia panggil apa? Bukan pulau Dia panggil apa? Turtle Island. Turtle Point Tak tahulah. Apa nama tempat dia kata? Turtle Island, Turtle Point.
Beach Point.
Tak tahulah apa benda, tak kisahlah. Okay, ni dia punya surrounding dia. Very nice view. Enjoy. That's my team.
Asal. Tolak lah tu. Tolak lah tu. Dia lagi nak pakai tolak dia.
Syifa mana Syifa? Alright.
Now, the majority.
Another stop yang ketiga, the third stop. Another snorkeling activity. Tempat tak tahu kat mana. Satu dipanggil apa tu? Job's Place. Layan kan tak layan. Okay, this is the view di sini. Okay, enjoy everyone. Okay, the best view so far. The best view so far. There's my team enjoying themselves. Snorkeling, swimming, get wet. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Semua ada all 9, 8 of them. Tu. Anu the training and administration manager. Okay, and then all the young consultants. Okay, they're really having fun. So no, it's not a company retreat. It's company fun trip. Okay, so far this is the best view lah. Okay, from the top. Okay, interesting. Right, enjoy. Okay, the fourth spot dipanggil kat sini dipanggil table coral. Dia kata coral dia macam meja kat situ lah. Tu. Tu nampak coral bawah tu macam meja flat. So there are tu my team kat sana. tak larat dah. So they're having good time lah. Tu Anwar. So they're having good time. So good idea juga kot ni. Mid-year dia buat short trip macam ni. InsyaAllah. Sebelum ni mungkin once a year. Okay, lepas ni boleh buat regular budget untuk mid-year trip. Take a break mid-year kan. Kalau tunggu hujung tahun mungkin lama sangat kan. So enjoy. Okay. Ikan snorkeling. Snorkeling. Okay. It's okay. Okay, the last point. Bilas air tawar. Tempat dia. Dia ambil air tu, dia bilas.
Macam air daripada peti ais.
Yeah, air dia sejuk. Betul sejuk. Macam air sejuk lah. Tempat dia lah. Bagi orang lain pula oi. Korang je bagi orang lain pula. Kau dah bilas? Dah bilas? Dah segar? Anwar boleh lebih pula dia. Tadi.
Okey, okey.